In today's video, I just want to share my experience with content creation. So for everyone who's extremely busy, so let's say you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, you're working hard, even 50s, you're still working hard. You want to create a YouTube channel or even an Instagram account, TikTok, whatever it is, but we're going to focus on YouTube here because I believe this is the better option if you want to create passive income over time. And this is our goal. That's the goal of this channel, is to create passive or semi-passive income. So it's not for the ones who are trying to grind to make money online. I mean, this is good, and if you're into that, perfect. But the goal is to have more time, work less, and make more money. So anything in that idea is going to be what we're going to talk about in this channel. I wanted to talk about YouTube videos and content creation in general, and how we're trying to make everything perfect and how this is completely unnecessary. So for most of us, we do not start a YouTube channel because it's not perfect, because we're not professionals. And we think that in order to be successful on YouTube, we have to be professionals at editing videos, at talking to a camera, at scripting, at everything in general, like photogenic, or looking good behind the camera. Like, none of this matters. What people want to learn on YouTube is what like your expertise on something. The looks of the video really does not matter, and I can tell you that for a fact, because when I look at videos on YouTube, I really do not care of how the video is edited, or how the person looks behind the camera, or even if the person has a strong accent or not, like myself. I don't care. What I care about is the expertise the person has to offer, the experience, the knowledge in general. Whatever you can share, whatever you already lived and you can share, that's what we want to know. We want to know your experience about things, how you did it, how you're doing it. That's all that matters. So if you've been hesitating to start a YouTube channel because you feel like you're not ready, or because you're not good enough, or you don't know enough, you just need to know 10% more than someone else to be able to share something and help someone at anything. It could be cooking, it could be fixing cars, mechanic, could be financial advices, just like how you manage your finances. It could be at training your pets, anything you can think of, or even just, fitness, health and fitness. That's something a lot of people know about, and they're not necessarily professionals, but they've experienced something. They've experienced eating that type of food, or doing that carnivore diet, or that keto diet, or whatever diet you think of, and they can share their experience, and maybe you can relate to those people. So that's what we want to know. So it really doesn't matter if you don't think that you're good enough at editing. And as a matter of fact, I believe that when you see a video that's extremely edited and it looks like a professional video, I mean, it doesn't interest me, honestly, because I feel like it's not from someone real. I want to hear about someone who's like me. If you speak to me like you're someone like me in the same situation, or who's been in the very same situation, I will listen to you more than someone who's like a professional or like a professional company offering something. I don't relate to that. I relate to a person who's real and who's got a real story. So it's all about your story, actually. So whether you're 40 or older and you feel like it's too late for you because, oh yeah, technology and whatever, you don't have time, or you're not good enough, just stop thinking that. And we have nowadays AI, so use the all the technology you have around, like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Gemini, all these tools, Grok. All these tools are so helpful to help you like make the best of your knowledge with the little amount of time you have, that where you can work on things. Use the tools you have to make it work for you. Like these tools, these bots are going to create amazing things you don't even think of. And I'm talking about, if you want to create a digital product, you can do so. You can create an ebook using AI, and you can just tweak it, read again behind the bot, whatever ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, or DeepSeek wrote. Just read behind, change things up, and make it your own. Go on Canva, it's completely free. Put your ebook as a PDF, and you can resell that even for a low price, even for $7 per ebook, and share your experience and talk about it on videos too. And I think that's amazing. If you traveled a lot, don't you think people want to know about your traveling experiences? I love that. I mean, I would listen to people telling me about their travel experiences all day long. So you just need to share your story. It's very easy. And if you can do that, you'll be extremely successful on YouTube, on TikTok or Instagram, whatever platform you want to use. Again, I recommend YouTube. That's the best because your videos are going to stay forever. They're going to stay forever, and you'll be able to passively make money with these videos over time, over and over. So yeah, I hope this was useful. If it was, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel right here. I'm gonna try to share more and more of my stories and my experiences making money online. And I'm doing a crazy YouTube challenge right now, and I'm trying to post every day for 30 days, Monday to Saturday, but I'll try to post on Sunday as well. And today is my day 7, posting every day. I want to know how I can grow this channel, and of course I will share my results with you all at the end of the 30-day challenge. So I'll see you on the next video.